Hi everyone, this is Ranjit. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will discuss about the primitives available in FreeCAD. The primitives which we can create standard shapes directly, or we can consider it as the direct modeling option available in FreeCAD. To do that, you must ensure that the part design is active. So from here, the part design must be selected. Then click on this new. Then you will provided with these options, and if you go to the additive options, you can see additive box, additive cylinder, additive sphere, additive cone. All these options are actually used to create the direct modeling. For example, if I click on the additive box, automatically a box is created and the dimensions like length, width, height, everything can be controlled. For example, this case, I'm going to change this into 50 mm. Automatically, sorry, I'm actually out for, unfortunately I pressed enter, so that's why. So you can see the change here. Similarly, you can dynamically view if you change the width and height. uh, Next option, you can attach, you can create some references based on this, and based on these references you can have controls on the attachments. And one more option, you can move in the x direction, z direction, y direction. In order to do that, you need a reference, because based on the reference the movements are considered. So I'm going to select this as my plane, sorry, select this plane. Now this attachments are active, so you can move if you want the box in the x direction. Similarly, if you want to move in the y direction, you can move it. Similarly, you can rotate with respect to x, with respect to y, with respect to z. These rotations are possible. The options available to create additive, that is the standard shapes, are you can create a box, you can create a cylinder, sphere, cone, ellipsoid, torus, prism, wedge. All these things can easily be produced. If you are going for a feature based or a parametric modeling, you need to have a sketch. You need to first draw the sketch, then you will use some operations like extrude or revolve or skin loft or additive loft. These options we will use to create the 3D model. But this case, if you use these options and if your geometry is a standard geometry, you can, at a faster manner, you can create the primitives. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for updates, and please share your comments and likes. They really encourage me to keep going. And I'm going to release a lot of videos related to solid modeling, simulation, structural analysis, computational fluid dynamics. Let me know if you have any doubts. Feel free to post your questions in the comment section. I will address them to the best of my knowledge. Thank you.